Okay, hello guys. My name is Yuan Lin, and I'm the founder of Zeabur. And I want to share some new AI feature of our product. But at first, I want to take a quick introduction of Zeabur because I think some of you may not hear about this path. So basically, Zeabur is a platform as a service from Taiwan, and you can think it like a combination of Vercel and render. So Zeabur can help you deploy the services to the cloud with one click, no matter what programming languages or framework you are using. Yeah. And we have some feature like you don't need to write a Docker file for your project. And we have a pay-as-you-go billing model. And you can deploy all the services to one platform, including like Next.js or MongoDB or even a Go or Rust service. Yeah, and we are based on so many different cloud providers like AWS or GCP or even DigitalOcean in Singapore. If you are working on a limited budget, because DigitalOcean is cheaper than so many cloud providers. Yeah, and the new feature I want to show you is we released yesterday. It's called Zeabur AI because I think so many developers is facing a problem when you deploying services to the cloud that when you deploy your code to the cloud, you may think your deployment is failed, but you don't know why the reason my code is failed. So next step, you need to dive into the build log to see what is the problem, like the video. The status of this deployment is failed. And next up, you need to scroll so many long logs to find the reason. But actually, in Zeabur, you can click Ask AI. And we have a AI model to help you analyze your code and the build log or even some services in this project, like maybe connection status or connection issues. And it can even give you some recommend actions like, oh, your project cannot build because there is some connection issue between your services and the MongoDB. So the recommended actions is restart your MongoDB, or even the AI can create a pull request to your service. Yeah, that's the new feature we released yesterday. And you can now join the wait list of our Zeabur AI because we are still under development of this new feature. Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Thanks. So how long have you guys been
working on Zeabur?
Yeah.
Like a half year.
Half a year?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
We have a 4 people small team, and we are full-time working on this platform.
Sweet.
Yeah.
So Taiwan-born.
Fully remote.
Fully
and
remote.
We have a half member from Taiwan and half member from Hangzhou, China. Yeah.
All right, and just multi-cloud, or some. So you do some different cloud providers, right?
Yeah. And we are still trying some new and more cheaper provider like Linode or Volter or even Fly.io.
Gotcha. Yeah, there's one question there.
You said it's a mix of Vercel and something else?
Render.com.
What's render.com?
It's just like another container as a service. Yeah. Maybe you guys hear about Railway?
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that. Render.
And so what's wrong with Vercel or Render?
Vercel can only host serverless service, and Render can only host containerized service. But what if I have a project which frontend use Next.js, which is serverless, but my backend use Rust? Rust cannot be serverless deployment. Yeah, or even I need a database, which is cannot serverless deployment. And there is some template in our landing page. As you can see, you can search Supabase in our template. So if you think,
wait.
Yeah.
But you're deploying it on your infra, right?
You can choose the region where you want to deploy. So if we are from Taiwan, you can select our GCP Taiwan region. So the latency from here will very low.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
We do multi-region deployments.
Currently, it's not enabled by default, but we are trying to find a good way. Because if you are deploying some stateful service like MySQL or MongoDB, if we deploy your database into multiple regions, there will be some consistency problem. Yeah, so we are trying to find a way to achieve this. Yeah.
So you have I think Huawei Cloud, right?
Yeah, we have a Huawei Cloud in China region.
Because I used it before, like AWS, right? In
Yeah.
China. Do you ever have problems getting traffic outside of China into like Singapore?
Yeah, there will be so many problems if you want to send requests from outside of China into the.
No, the other way.
Either way, it depends on which domain you want to request. For example, GitHub or Google is not accessible. But if you have some proxy service which is provided by our platform, then it will not be a problem. Yeah.
Cool.
Yep.
Is there a way to easily migrate from yourself to yours?
It's one click. It's only one click. Yeah. Because we have an open source project.
How many clicks from Superbase to you?
So we have
One
no, maybe yeah.
3 click. PG
So-
dump. Click.
So we have an open source project called Zeabur. It's like a tool to analyze your code, and with this tool, we can know what programming languages or what framework you are using. So we can, based on the analyzed result, to generate a Docker file or some serverless static files or serverless functions. So we can use this tool to help you very easily deploy your services from your local.
Nice. Sweet.
Oh,
I think, yeah. With that, thank you.